Is now the time to harmonize your air, gas, and vacuum solutions? Take a look into your future with this virtual plant tour. The benefits of our harmonized solutions start with centralized control systems. Dry air is guaranteed. Benefits continue with 24/7 remote monitoring for all products. We have family-style controllers across all models. A single service contract tailored to you for all products. Supported by factory-trained technicians nationwide. It's all about products, people, and ultimately, solutions. We call it the Connected Efficiency Journey. Solutions that are made to work together. Solutions that are made to work for you. Discover the Atlas Copco difference.